Hey, this is Resto-Rob, and welcome to my channel. Today we got a tool haul. So sit back, relax, and check out these tools that I got. So this is our tool haul for this weekend. We got this Simonize for cars. There's a little bit left in there. They had some rags for cleaning. It smells a lot like Johnson's paste wax. Yeah, it has a nasty dent, but I thought the can looked pretty cool. I found a drawer pull, fancy drawer pull, advertising screwdriver, little pocket flat blade, found this little wooden handled stubby flat blade. It does say made in the USA. This divider is in pretty rough shape and needs cleaning, so that'll be in a future video. Found these, all three of them are the same. Galaxy Color by Co-op quality paints. So I got three of those. I got some auger bits for the brace, but my highlight of the haul is this Black & Decker heavy duty adjustable saw. This thing's a beast. Yeah, for some reason I've decided to start collecting Black & Decker power tools. So that was my tool haul this weekend, not much. Now for the Poor Man's Flea Market, I came across these ladders in trash. They're wood ladders, so you can't really use them anymore, so the company was getting rid of them. But man, that's a beautiful wood ladder. Yeah, just for the decorative portion alone, this is cool. You can probably put some boards in here and make like a Christmas display. This other wood ladder, more of a modern ladder. You can see up here the price. Yeah, so these are cool for my home. Like I said, I want to turn this into kind of a display. Wouldn't be cool to have boards across that and display some Bonnie cement tools or some vices. Yeah, that. And then also in the trash was this gauge that I'm gonna kind of clean up, turn into maybe a steampunk light or something. Yeah, so that was this haul. Hey everybody, hopefully you enjoyed that little tool haul. This time of year, not a whole lot going on. Not finding a whole lot of anything, but the Black & Decker circular saw was probably my favorite. So what was your favorite? And as always, stay safe, and we'll check you later.